This is level 1, this is level 5, and these are everything in between. Welcome to Hexels. Level 1, Notepad. Notepad or any of its alternatives are found in your taskbar, and all it can do is type. No images, no graphs, no formatting. A basic and bad software for students. Except stuff like to-do lists. OneNote is Microsoft's attempt to make a solid note-taking software. However, OneNote is too complex and definitely not productive.
Bruh.
Because this is my attempt to write notes 2 years ago. Like, what even is this? Like, what? Yeah, digital notebook organization? Yeah, even a book can beat that. Overall, OneNote is just
Failure!
bad. This is now getting good. Obsidian is a flexible writing app for students. It has many features too. Beautiful, clean, minimalistic. It's based on links and references, connecting ideas together. It's a solid app, but... Wait, I think I forgot something.
What now? Just unlock it! Sasuke?
Hard to believe that such a child carries a nine-tailed...
We can go better than that. It's Remno time. Web PC or mobile, the flashcards. This is built in with spaced repetition, which you cannot change. It works in nodes and subnodes. These two former students, Mike and Matty, are the founders of this app, and I'm not shipping them. Remnote is a phenomenal software. Even I use it lately. It feels a bit sad me putting it in fourth. Surprise, Notion won. I mean, how am I supposed to make a video without Notion getting the first place? And just look at these notes and compare them with OneNote. Yeah, I think you can see the difference now. It's built around specialized nodes, which give you different functions you could do with it. Like inserting images, tables, headings, toggles, and everything like that. Wait a minute. So what I think it is... Wait, no. One more thing that Notion has, it has these really useful templates. There's ones from life, work, school, and this makes me love Notion. But you don't have to. You can like OneNote, Obsidian, and even, Evernote. None of them are bad. Because at the end of the day, it's what you write instead of where you write the text. Thank you for watching.